graduate from HW Agency and my hobbies is singing and dancing. I'll show you po.
For you to go, but I'm not sure I really know why I'm leaving. Nowhere to find to say our last goodbye. I'll never make it hard for you. You will never see me cry. Until this tears inside of me, I'm gonna let your heart go free. Before you leave, there's just one thing that I want you to know.